Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my wedding guest look. Right here is my dress that I made, and if you are in the sewing community, if you're active on social media, then you know who is about to be married, and I'm so excited and so just honored and grateful to be able to be invited to witness this union of love. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Today is actually May 31st, so it's Friday. Tomorrow is June 1st, Saturday, and that is the wedding day. But I figured let's go ahead and hop on camera and talk about this dress before I sweat it out. So the dress may be balled up, thrown in the corner somewhere Saturday night. So I figured let me go ahead and record this and talk a little bit about it. So I'm going to share kind of my idea of what I wanted for the dress, the fabrics, the pattern that I use, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So here is my dress, and you can see that I went with this little one shoulder situation for my dress, and I love the outcome of it. So first let's talk about fabrics. This fabric I purchased from Joann's, as well as the lining and the other notions and supplies that I needed. It all came from Joann's. I originally did not want this sequence, and it's because I don't sew with sequins a lot. It's a little, it's a little busy for me, if that's the right word to say, but I don't sew with it a lot. But when I was walking through Joann's, I saw it, I fell in love with it. But I originally was like, no, this is too much. I don't want to be flashy. Look at me, I'm in sequins, all glam, at somebody's wedding. I was not trying to go for that look at all. But I kept walking through the aisles in Joann's, and nothing was just like speaking to me. Nothing was like, I mean, there's some pretty fabrics in Joann's right now, but nothing was like jumping out at me. And I just kept going back to the sequence, and I called my mom. I was like, what do you think? What do you think? And then like I'm showing her the video, and then it's like pieces of the sequence is like green and blue, and she's like, where are you going? So I was like, it's not like that in person. It's just the camera showing, green and purple sequence. But yeah, I fell in love with it. I couldn't get away from it. I said, I'm just going to go ahead and get it because I love it. So I got this sequence. I also purchased the lining fabric right here. This was just like a knit solid taupe kind of color. So I purchased that as well to line the garment. So yeah, I love this fabric. I'm definitely going to be making more sequin garments. This sewed up really easy. I had sequins everywhere. But other than, sequins going crazy and flying everywhere, this sewed up really, really easy. And that's another thing that I wanted in my dress. I wanted it to just be something simple. I didn't want to be tight. I didn't want to be in like Spanx. I didn't want to be fidgeting with my clothing. I am still kind of fidgety in it just a little bit because I am arm conscious. I have full arms, and I like them to be covered, which is why I went with this, because it kind of falls over the arm a little bit to give me the coverage that I like. So I do like it. I wish it was a little longer. I'm just kidding, but it's okay. I'm happy with it. I'm not fidgeting too much, like I said, and I just love, love, love this dress. So I love that it was comfortable, but still very elegant and wedding guest appropriate. So, and I think the fabric just really, took it up a notch. And plus, you all know whose wedding we going to, like, come on. I had to do a little something. I had to come out of my comfort zone a little bit. So that is, about the fabrics. I purchased it again from Joann's, the lining, the sequins, and yes, I just loved it. It also has elastic in this waist right here, and I love that. So that's that. The pattern that I use for this dress is Mccalls 7683, and this is one of those mix and match patterns. So you have different bodices and skirts that you can just kind of put together to make your own garment. So I went with this one right here. This is piece 2 and piece 5 on this pattern. So again, like I said, it comes together really easy. The dress did not call for lining, but I didn't want the sequins, itching up against my skin. So everything is lined. And right here, I lined this as well. That way I wouldn't have to worry about, doing a narrow hem. I didn't want that. So I lined it and just flipped it to the inside. And that's my dress. Super easy, so I would definitely revisit this pattern. Hubs and I, we go to the military ball like once a year, so I know for a fact I will be making this pattern again. Alright y'all, so that is all for the video. I just want to share with you all my wedding guest dress that I made to attend the wedding tomorrow. I'm super excited about it. So I hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them for me below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.